We know that people across the state are paying attention to what's happening with schools, and schools are preparing to go back, and parents and students are in anticipation. While many of them want to do it in person, there are some schools who are going to open either in a hybrid model or in distance learning. And we also know that even in schools that are going back 5 days a week, there are some students who either themselves or their families are immunocompromised. And so distance learning is a really important component of what's going to happen in Ohio during the course of the year. And we announced a couple weeks ago of a $50 million grant program that we were putting together to help schools to help support schools in the costs of providing services to those students who either don't have access to the internet, that they maybe can't afford it. There are a variety of reasons that students struggle to connect with distance learning. And we're going to be rolling out applications for that grant starting on Monday, August the 10th. That's when schools can start applying. Reminder, this is for home internet, hotspots, cellular enabled devices, public Wi-Fi, and mobile public Wi-Fi services. And again, we're targeting those vulnerable populations of people who are living in poverty, maybe have chronic health conditions or no internet access. A little change from where we started this conversation 2 weeks ago. We listened because we had a lot of schools that said, because we set it up as a matching program, those schools, many of them couldn't find the resources to do this as a matching program, so we've discontinued the matching requirement. We're going to target, we have $50 million. It's a lot of money, but it's not going to be enough to probably serve everyone. So we will target it to those who need it the most. The application period. Well, I mentioned the application period, but I also want to say that this will cover purchases that schools made starting July 1st. So if they've already made these purchases, you're not going to be punished for being proactive. You're still eligible to have some of those costs recouped if you've made them since July 1st. The application period will be open through Friday, August the 21st, and then the schools will be notified of their awards on the week of August the 31st. While this is not live yet to apply, we will have it up by the end of the day. Governor, we're going to put this on your social media accounts, the site address, and my social media accounts. It's going to be at ohio-k12.help/broadbandohio-connectivity-grant. That's a long web address, so that's why we're going to post it out there so people can find it and see it and been able to access to do those applications. Another thing that we have done to help schools so that they don't have to go out and try to purchase this stuff all on their own, we've done a request for information. We've had 12 companies so far respond to that, which publicly will show us the prices that they're going to offer for schools and students. This is available at procure.ohio.gov. Again, to get into the detail of this, of where all these prices are on this big website, we're going to post that data out on your social media and my social media so that everybody can see what the prices are, so that we're getting the best deal, make this money go as far as it can for the students and the schools, make this $50 million and the other money that the schools are putting into this go further. We're trying, we're all pitching in here, schools going back in a variety of ways. We know that we've talked about this on the news conferences before. When we get into the winter, we're expecting that this virus might get tougher than it is now. So we know that preparing these students and schools for the future of potentially having to do distance learning is important. And these monies have been set aside, and these prices are now being published publicly so that we can get the best deals possible and make sure that if you have to do distance learning, that you can do distance learning. So with that, Governor, I'll kick it back to you.
Good.